So I'm using my Scarifier. I'm scarifying this lawn. Getting this blue stem up and chopping it up, and then mainly just getting it right there in the dirt. And then I'm gonna come back with some sod, but I'm gonna mow over it, bag everything up, and reseed this lawn, just the front, right in here. But yeah, I'm using that little Iron Max or whatever it's called, and I'm just chopping up the ground, get some water into it. So I just scarified and then bagged it up with my lawnmower. And here's just the thatch from this area over here. Half a trash can full. All right. And I kind of chopped up these weeds. You got to either, I'm just gonna get some grass growing here, and then I'll deal with the weeds. These weeds are hard to kill. And if I try to kill them, it's that KR blue stem. If I try to kill them and then wait to seed, I mean, it's just gonna be it's not gonna happen. So you just need to get a thick lawn, and then we'll worry about them. My opinion. Spilled some there, so, but as you can see, I got a bunch of seed all over the ground here. I'm gonna come back. Dirt on top of it to kind of keep that moisture in. So, and then probably spread some more. I got another bag at home. All right, so this is the seeded area. This all right in here. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow and bring some dirt in. Back. All right, we'll get to work on the back eventually. All right. So, if you can see, I already got the ground beneath this dirt that I put down, but I went ahead and mixed the seeds in with them, especially in this area where there's absolutely no grass growing. And, you know, typically, this is Tifway 419, this grass that they put down. But then, it looks like there's some Bermuda, like common Bermuda. So, I mean, it should mix in pretty well. I mean, it's not going to be perfect. If you keep it fertilized, they'll stay the same color. But the thing I like about common is that it's like durable. And so anyhow, all right, so I seeded this yard. I was gonna try to, you know, that's when they don't have a sprinkler system, you have to use that to wet the lawn. It's bullshit. So I was gonna try to turn it on and then like blow everything off while I was here, and then, but it didn't happen. So I'll just come by in the morning and blow and sweep everything off in the morning. I live like a couple of blocks away, but oh shit, man. Yeah, so, and that's sprinkler's kind of broken.